This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to edit your Letterboxd bio. So I'm right here on my main profile. If you're not on your profile, you will come up to the picture of yourself. If, say, you're on home right here, you have the picture of yourself here and your username, you will click on profile, and then from there you will click on edit profile. And the same the same process will apply if you're doing this on your cell phone, on your mobile phone. So now that we have the profile account settings open, you have your bio right here. You can see my bio is this bit of text here about the 1001 movies list. So you can just edit and add your bio here, and then you will click Save Changes. So once you've clicked Save Changes, you can click back to your profile from here, and you'll see that your bio will be updated. So your bio is this piece of text right here, and other users will be able to see it. Hopefully you found this video on how to edit your bio on Letterboxd useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.